But wow, 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 wow. Look at that, man. All right, we are at the beginning of the 1,000 Steps Trail, and I'm gonna start my hiking thing on. Let's get going, man. Pretty cool area. I mean, I have gone through way steeper trails in Squamish, British Columbia. This should not be an issue at all, but you gotta be in practice. Ooh, all the way there. All right, this is pretty cool. Welcome to the steps. Wow, look at the history. I gotta look at this later. Look at that mountain. Very cool. Steps that way. Higher I go, colder it's getting. So those mountain range is at around 2,200 feet, and I will be getting around 1,600 feet according to the map once I reach the summit. Let's go, man. Oh my gosh, does that mean this is the step number 200 only? I really love that kind of spot. That's so awesome. Hey, maybe that's our final destination. Look how cool this terrain is. Keep going, huh? Oh, this is pretty cool. It's a shaded area. Really awesome. Wow, it really feels like I'm not in Pennsylvania. I'm like in Colorado or something. Just imagine the sacrifice of the people who put all those steps to make this trail. Whew. This is really awesome. I mean, how cool is this? And you get a sneak peek of the mountain on the other side. Really awesome. That's a steep way ahead, but let's see. Lots of people are hiking this trail at this moment. I would have loved to come here earlier, but it is what it is. One of the reasons that I want to come here early is that you don't get people traffic and you get to enjoy sunshine. It's must mention, it is so amazing how friendly people are that you run into. You know, this place shows, in a place like this, how nicely they say good morning to you or good afternoon to you. You know, it takes away all the boundaries that you feel or see on the ground or from TV channels. Here no one cares who you are, where you came from, how you look like, what your political or religious preference is. So what does it tell you? You know, nature, it's for all. So enjoy. That's the God-given beauty, and it's good for your health. 500 mark, halfway. Woohoo! You may find it simple, but I want to give you a simple tip. Sometimes when I see people coming down from there, I definitely give preference to elderly and others who are coming slow. So I step aside, but you need to be careful about yourself too. So what's a good spot to step aside? You always need to find something that's flat. So in this case, you know why I will take that spot? Because if I stand here and if there's any chance to fall back, this tree is my support. That's it. It's that simple. So finally come up from there. Look how beautiful this is. Sunshine. So I think I need to go that way now. And the view at the bottom, just fantastic. Woohoo! Made it. This is the 1000 step or stair. Another thing in my list. We are at the Dinky Shed, interesting name. I don't know what SSTN. Oh, Trail North. And there's the view. We're gonna go for the view. Look at that. How stupid does someone put a graffiti there? Sad. Oh well. Quickly check out the view from here. Oh my. How about that? I'll definitely like to go to that spot. Yep, it's a must. Isn't that nice? And my friends are all the way there. Alright, I'll definitely have to do this trail again because behind me there's another awesome look all the way to the top of the mountain, but probably we're running out of time, sadly. So check that out. Alright guys, look at the view. How about that? Totally worth the hike 2 times over. I'm going that way. But wow, 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 wow. Look at that, man. We have climbed 1,000 feet. To celebrate that, we're having Hershey's chocolate. It's a mandatory tradition going forward. A toast. Cha-toast. Awesome, guys. Down below is the Juniata River. And here's the building that I wanted to come to. Or house or whatever. Sadly, it's full of crappy graffitis. Look, this would have been a beautiful historic place, but people messed it up. Oh well. Beautiful. All right, guys, mission accomplished. Saw that little house or building, saw the overlook. Time to head back. We have some time consideration, but time to head back. Glad I was able to cover that overview and that building. Thanks for coming along. I'm so glad I was able to do this far safely. Now going down, let's see how it goes. It's a breeze going down. Oh, I'm catching up. There they are. Look at these beautiful trees. Sadly, I don't know what they're called. Shame on me, but I'll learn. But one thing about the stones here, they are called sand rocks. Sand is mixed. All right, past the traffic. Keep going. Capturing going down is a whole different level, in my opinion. Even after stopping for many pictures, videos, and all this action cam thing, I am at my 1 hour 25 minutes time range. So you can shave off at least 20 minutes from this. A little slow pace. That's another view here, which we captured on our way up. It's really interesting. There's 1,000 steps contributors. All those names. 1001. Wow. There's a train going, freight train, and that's Route 22 going west that way. There's a bench. That's it. Woohoo! Made it. Just made it in hour 36. Back to ground zero. That's how it looks. And if you're going 22 west, that's where you park, on the right hand side. If you come early, you should not have any problem with parking spots. Bye.
Right at a high point on 22, look around in front.